Firstly, can you open your camera again?
Now it's okay.
Yeah, now it is okay. So good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. And what's about you?
I am also fine.
Yes, sir. So we are connecting first time. So can I know something about you?
Yes, sure. I would like to introduce myself. I am Harish Bhave. I am from MP Madhya Pradesh. I am a businessman. I have my own medical retail shop, pharmacy business, and from last 20 years I am doing the same business. And I have two kids also, and we all are enjoying life.
Yeah, that's very great, sir. So may I introduce myself now?
Okay.
Okay. So my name is Sunidhi Kumari. I am from Jharkhand. As I'm studying class 9, I have 5 members in my family and I have three siblings, one me and two small brothers. I'm a hobbyist to learning this language and to learn something new. Even so, I'm running two YouTube channels and I'm so much eager to learn English language. So that's why I'm practicing English here. That's all about me.
Okay. Very good.
Yes, sir.
So you are a YouTuber also.
Yes, sir. I'm a YouTuber.
Okay. Okay. So have you monetized your channel or not?
Yeah, my channel has been monetized.
Oh, very good.
Yes, sir.
So you daily
So,
upload
so
one, two videos or randomly you upload?
yeah, nowadays I'm uploading I used to upload daily, but before 1 to 2 months I was not uploading the videos on my channel.
Okay.
Yes.
So which type of video you upload?
So I used to upload the videos like English conversation video only because I just think that if I will upload the videos, then more people will get help from me, like they can learn English language. So that's why I used to upload the video.
Very good, very good. I was thinking that you are uploading solo videos also.
Yes, I used to upload. Sometimes I used to upload.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir. So I just wanted to ask some question to you, like from when did you started to learn this language and what the difficulties you faced when you started to learn?
Yeah, I'm practicing from last 6, 7 months, and earlier it was very tough for me to speak. And actually, I belong to a very small district place. Here, I'm not getting the atmosphere. So now I can say that I created the atmosphere or I created the platform. Now I am talking with many YouTubers. I am talking with many other co-learner also. So now it is very easy for me to connect with any person and talk with any different topics. So because of consistently I am doing all the things. So I am improving.
Yes, sir, that's very fantastic. You also my journey was relatable. Like when I was in class 6 or 7, from that time I started to learn this language. And at that time only I started to learn this language. Firstly, I just think that if I will learn English language, then I will not going to face a lot of difficulties in my future life or in coming time. So that's why I started to learn language. Like firstly, I learned the grammar because grammar is the backbone of the English language. If I will learn the grammar, then only I can form the sentence. Then only I can speak English language. So that's why I just learned the basic part of the grammar because in the speaking English language, whole grammar is not important. But I can say that basic grammar is very, very necessary to speak English language, like where we have to use the appropriate verbs, sentences, like this type of things is very necessary. So after learning this grammars, I just go through on the activity part. Just like at my home, I was just doing the activity like how can give my introduction, how can give my daily routines, like this type of things I was doing. And I was also not able to speak English language very well, and I was also speaking with the co-learner, but I was hesitating so much. I was just thinking that what I have to speak English language, even though in my mind nothing the sentences were coming, that why what I have to speak, like this type of things. I was hesitating and just thinking like that the people like you, they're speaking very well, I'm not knowing anything about the English language. So that's why I was thinking like that only. And before 6 to 7 months, I also joined to the Skype application to speak English language, to practice English language, so that I cannot get any problems in my future life. So that's why from now on, I started to learn this language and to practice this language. So like this, my journey is relatable to you also, sir, and I'm doing practice here.
Very good, very good. And you are a good speaker, but I would like to advise you one thing that you are speaking very fast. What I will suggest you that you are speaking quite good, and your grammar is also quite nice. So what I will like to advise you that please speak little slow. So what happen when you speak, people will understand, and it will be good.
Yes, yes,
This is my
definitely.
advice. Don't take it otherwise, but this is my advice because you
Yes,
are a good speaker. So yeah, because you
yes,
speak very fast,
definitely.
like a Rajdhani Express.
Yes, yes, I will definitely gonna to make my mistake correct.
Yeah, now not mistake, just you have to slow down your speed.
Yes, definitely. So, sir, what do you think about the English language? That why nowadays the people they are so much curious to learn this language?
Yeah, one thing I can tell you now, because now I can speak, so I can tell you better than other people because I go in all the field like LHWR, like I did all the things, and now I can say that English is not that much tough what I was thinking earlier, and easily you can if you are dedicated, if you are focused, and if you are doing daily practice, then I am telling you within 6 to 9 months you can be good in English, but you have to give at least 1 or 2 hours daily. Then only you can achieve this success.
Yes, sir, definitely you are right that firstly when the people they started to learn this language or to speak this language, most of the people they are facing a lots of difficulties in speaking English language. So that's why for speaking, for doing anything, we have to sacrifice something. So that's why we should have to focus something new. Like we have to do a large practice in speaking English language. It is just a language. If we will practice more and more, then definitely we are going to learn English language very soon. So that's why there is necessary like regular practice is very necessary and LSRW is very necessary. Like L for listening and speaking ready writing, it is very necessary for the beginners or one who started. And after getting some maturity in the speaking English language, we can easily practice English language in the video call conversations. And most of the people they are just thinking like that. They are saying that I'm only comfortable in the audio call, but I can say and I can suggest to those people they should be on the video call because in the video call the most of the people they are hesitating in the audio call everybody they can speak anyhow they can speak English language but in the video call most of the people they are fearing they are not able to speak English language they just think that how I can speak English language in front of the people they are speaking very well so this type of thought will come so that's why I just think I will suggest to those people who do in the audio call yeah I can say that there is some issue also. So that's why they are speaking the audio call but I would suggest mostly that they should speak in the video call it will be better for them if they will speak in the video call they will get a lots of benefit from the video call they will easily like now you're speaking now we are speaking English language in the audio call but sometimes if the people will think like they are speaking English language but in the public places how you will face the how you will gonna to speak English language that's a video call is very necessary for us and if we will practice more and more then definitely we are going to speak English language with the confident English.
Yes, yes. In video call, you can express your thoughts. You can what other people are saying. You can correlate it and like that. It is really good things if you talk in video call. Yes, I also believe in that.
Yes, so you are right. And nowadays we can also say that earlier peoples, like in the rural areas, earlier people they were not aware of the English language. But nowadays, every people they are aware about the English language. They are speaking English language. They are curious to learn English language. And we can also say like that before 2 to 3 years in the India, the people were not aware or to learn English language. But nowadays, everybody they are curious to learn English language and they should learn English language definitely because in the future life it will be beneficial for them only and because we can say like that for connecting to the people also English is very necessary like we are connecting so that's why English is a common language through which we can easily connect if we go to the southern places where we can find their speaking their native language and we are also speaking our native language so we are not able to connect to the people so that's why for connecting everybody for connecting anyhow like for the foreign people also if we go to the other countries also then English is the only common language through which we can easily connect to the people so that's why English is very
Yes,
necessary for us and we should learn English language and we can also see
yes,
that
yes.
in the phones there is so many notifications coming there is a large of there we can say large of reason behind the English language nowadays so that's why we should learn English language.
Yes, and I will always thank to this technology because of this technology, and I would like to thanks Ambani, that Mukesh Ambani. Because of Mukesh Ambani, it is very easy and it is very accessible to use the internet, and that's why
Yes,
people are
yes.
learning. Otherwise, earlier it was very tough because that was very costly. Internet was very costly, but because of Mukesh Ambani, he made life very easy.
Yes, sir, you are right. And nowadays we can also say that we can learn anything from the social medias. If the people they will use the phones in the correct way, they can easily learn English language very soon or can learn anything. Like in the social media, we can find that lots of applications are there, like a Skype, Camlist, and there are most of the applications available through which we can easily learn English language. There are also vocabulary, grammar. There all the things are available. Then definitely at the home people they can easily learn English language. But the people want to think that I'm not getting the environment, I'm not able to speak English language. They are just making excuses. And for for environment also, we have to make our own environment. People they definitely going to first sacrifices for doing anything. So that's why we should have to make own environments for speaking English language, for learning any English language, for learning any language.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
So you are in English medium school. It must be you are in English medium school,
Yes,
na?
yes,
Okay.
I'm
So
in the
you
English
spoke.
medium.
You speak with your colleague, your co-learner in English only, or you speak in your local language in school?
Yes, sir. Yeah, yes. In my schools, sometimes we used to speak in the English language, but rather than I can see that we are speaking our native language only.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So, do you have any question to me? Like, I also wanted to ask one more question to you that how to practice English language?
Now, I am a good listener. I listen a lot, and because of listening, I am improving. And this is my mool mantra because what I am doing, I listen one video 3 to 4 times daily. So when I listen 3 to 4 times, I got all the things what they are talking about. So it gives me mm, more things to learn because I can learn how they are making sentences, how they are structuring the sentences, and how they are using the articles and all the things. So I minutely observe, and because of that minute observation, I am getting very fast. And second thing, as I have eyesight problem, so I am not able to read, but still I read 2 3 pages daily. And yeah, now nowadays because of this platform, because of you all YouTubers, now I am speaking with all of you, and because of you all, I am improving. I can say, I always say that.
Yes, sir, definitely. You are absolutely doing very great job. Like listening is very, very important. If we will listen more and more, then only we can speak more. So that's why listening is very, very necessary.
And one good thing with listening is that when you listen different topics, you get the knowledge also, and it will be good for your future life also. So that's why I am always focusing on listening.
Yes, sir, you're absolutely right. So do you have
And
any question to me?
one more point I would like to tell you: when you listen, you get the right pronunciation, but when you read, you cannot get the pronunciation right. So that's why I always prefer listening.
Yes, sir, you are absolutely right. That pronunciation in the speaking English language is also very, very important. Through the listening, we can easily learn like this type of thing.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
I would like to. What is your next plan? Means after this, what you want to become? Means after 12th, after what you will do?
Yes, sir. So I just think that, I'm interested to do the civil services because I just think that if I will do like that, I can help the peoples and I will help the society. So that's why I just wanted to do the civil services in my future life.
Okay. Best of luck for that, and keep growing.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
So shall we
It
end
was
our
really nice
so
talking.
sir? Yes, sir. So thank you so much